1 ozamide, new 3 layers and 6 trays jack oven. The exterior is made of 1 mm stainless steel, and the front of the oven is made of 1.5 mm black titanium, highlighting the high-end and luxury black titanium stainless steel plate. High-end appearance, tough material, temperature resistance and corrosion resistance, durable, and easy to maintain and clean. The inner chamber is made of 1.2 mm stainless steel coated with aluminum plate, imported from Korea, with no deformation at high temperature and insulation layer of 100 mm thickness. Incorporated within the storage cabinet, more reasonable use, convenient operation, and more space-saving use. Using silicone sealing strip, good sealing performance, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, anti-aging, anti-shock, shock-proof and waterproof. More powerful magnetic strip inside, can fit all kinds of smooth surface materials. Better heat preservation effect. Using microelectronics operation panel, built-in control panel, excellent protection panel, microelectronic computer control, easy operation, precise temperature adjustment. Imported electrical components, more stable operation, high bearing strength, reasonable distribution, long service life, safer, and more efficient. One-piece outer frame, all seams and corners, smooth and beautiful, inner wrapped chimney, beautiful and generous. One-piece appearance, more high-end quality. For more details, please contact us. Zenline Machinery welcomes your consultation.